Good morning all. Welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. Right, it will be available in the WhatsApp group, even Telegram group also. Narla, why I didn't know, why have not been submitted so far. I have already forwarded in the respective groups. Okay. One of the viewers actually given the suggestion that to explain 31st, 32nd, 33rd problem. Yesterday what we have discussed. So let me have the discussion of the first 31st problem. Then I go for 32nd and 33rd. Then today's proceedings. Now from 0 to 9, 4-digit numbers can be formed such that the digits are ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means, for example, here you feel like this, something 9861. This is ascending order or descending order? This is descending order. For example, you take like this. One, two, three, 4. So this 1, 2, 3, 4 can be permitted in how many ways? 4 factorial. But out of 4 factorial, only one way is the ascending order. This 4 factorial gives us one combination, one required one, ascending order. This condition will give us. Actually, how many permutations we can make? That is 10p4. So 10p4 is equal to how many required? That's equal to 10p4 divided by 4 factorial. See, we know that NPR divided by R factorial is nothing but NCR. So this is equal to 10C4, nothing but selections. So that's why I have written 10C4. So as ascending order means 0 may be 0, for example 0, 1, 2, 3. This is ascending order. Understood now? Now it is not the 4-digit number, it is 3-digit number. Now keep 0 in the first place. Rest of the places need to be filled in ascending order. So that means how many you will be getting actually? This, for example, you fill like this 1, 2, 3. This can be permitted in 3 factorial ways. But 3 factorial, out of 3 factorial, only one way is the ascending order. How many such are there? 9p4. 9p3. Sorry. 9p3 is equal to how much? 9p3 upon 3 factorial. That is 9c4. 9c4. But out of 10c4, 9c3. Sorry, this will be 9c3. 9c3 will be there. So 10c4 minus 9c3 is the answer. Okay, I hope you might have understood this one. Okay, next 32nd problem. So in the 32nd problem, total number of 4-digit numbers in which the digits are in descending order. So descending order means actually, see, for example, descending order means always this begin with the greater number. For example, 9861. This is a descending order. So if you write 0, what happens? 0, 1, 2, 3. This is ascending order, not descending order. That means 0 will not come in the first place. There is no possibility. This 9841 can be permitted how many ways? 4 factorial, but only one way. 1, 2, 3, 4. But how many digits? 10 digits. That is 10p4 equal to how much? 10p4 divided by 4 factorial, which is equal to 10c4. So answer is 10c4. 10c4. Okay, now 33. 33 problem. Let us come to the 33 problem. the number of ways we can select 4 numbers from 1 to 30. So as to not include, I have given wrong this question is wrong. Please try to understand. This question is so as to exclude, sorry, this I have forgotten yesterday. Exclude every selection of 4 consecutive numbers is. So that means actually is here total number of selections is equal to total number of ways of selecting 4 numbers, that equals to 30C4. In 30C4 we need to exclude every selection of 4 consecutive numbers. 4 consecutive numbers means the set will be like this. I will write it, don't worry. So 4 consecutive numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. 27, 28, 29, 30. See how many will get it now? You count it now. 1, 2, 3, 27. Out of 30C4, 27 selections will be there. In that 4 consecutive numbers will come. They need to be subtracted. So that's why now here number of 4 consecutive numbers. 4 consecutive is equal to 30 minus 4 plus 1, that is 27. Therefore required number of ways is equal to 30C4 minus 27. So this third option is the right option. See, I have discussed this. Actually, this is actual. Now 30C4 minus 27 is the non-consecutive. You will get it. Non-consecutive selections. In that we cannot find any. Yes, they are asked non-consecutive. So 30C4 minus, that is consecutive. Okay, now yes, number of selections of 4 numbers is 30C4. Number of selections such that 4 numbers are consecutive is 27. Number of required ways is 30C4 minus 27. Our answer is correct, but in the question we need to change the keyword. This exclude, not include. Please try to change the problem now. See, that's why only I asked you, all of you. So I have directed you, after completion of the session, please go through carefully all the problems. So then you give the feedback so that I can explain. But Venkateshwar Narla, so far you didn't give any feedback through the description. You need to give it. So thank you for giving me good suggestion. So even actually once again I thank you the viewers. They have given wonderful suggestion because it is needed, badly needed, so that we can update ourselves. Okay, today let us move to our session. Yes, combinations part 4. No problem, even we shall wait for 5 or 10 minutes on discussion, interaction session. That will be good for us. Okay, what is the question number, anybody? Okay, 38. Oh, very good. 38. 38 need to be, yes, need to be done. Right, I will do. 38. 38. A committee of 12 is to be formed from 9 women and 8 men in which at least 5 women have to be included. Number of committees in which the men are majority. These keywords are very important. First option 6002, second option 1008, third option 2072, fourth option 3002. Okay. Sir, why including means? You give the suggestion in the description box. Tomorrow I will discuss. Don't worry. Because now I need to continue. A committee of 12 is to be formed from 9 women, 8 men, in which, this is very important keyword, at least 5 women. At least 5 women means actually out of 12, there are how many women are there? 9. 5 women, 6 women, 7 women, even 8 women, 9 women can be selected. But one more condition is there. Excuse me. Sorry. Absolutely sorry. You may get irritation also. Right. So in which men are majority. These two conditions we need to important. At least 5 women, men should be majority in the committee. So that means let us see, committee may be total 9 women, 8 men. So committee need to be formed. Say case 1. Case 1 is women must be actually here at least 5. At least 5 means first select 5 members, 5 women. Next, here 8 men are there. Majority men must be there. Already 12 means we need to select 7 men. Next, for example, if you select 6 women, what happens? 6 women means 6 men will come, but equal, but majority is there. It is not valid. For example, if you select 7 women, you get 5 men, but men are majority. It is not valid. For example, 8 women, the 4 men, here minority, men are, so it is not valid. For example, total how many women are there? 9 women. 9 women means 3 men. They are in minority. So we need to discard all these things. Only one selection we shall get it. Only one selection. Here see, at least these two conditions will be satisfied here. What is the condition? So the committee should consisting of at least 5 women and men's are majority. See, men's are more, at least 5. These two conditions will satisfy only one case. All these cases will not satisfy. So that's why required number of ways is equal to required number of ways is equal to 9C5 multiplied by 8C7. Okay, let us simplify. 38. So that is number of ways is equal to 9C5 times, now 8C7. This is 9C4, 8C1. 9C4 is 9 times, 8 times, 7 times, 6 upon 4 factorial. 4 times, 3 times, 2 times 1 is 8. 4 2 ja, 8 cancel. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. That means 72 multiplied by 14. So 72 multiplied by 14 means 4 2 ja 8, 288 and 72. 8, 10. So 1 is, we need to add 10. 1008 is the answer. This equal to 1008. Second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. So if you have any doubt and you can ask after completion of the session, you need to chat in the description box so that I will go through it immediately after completion of the class. You have that option, you need to make use of that one. A cricket 11 is to be chosen from 16 players of whom 7 are bowlers, 4 can keep wickets, 4 can keep the wickets. Number of ways this can be done to contain exactly 5 bowlers in the team. 5 bowlers, 2 wicket keepers. 2 wicket keepers is first option 945, second option 885, third option 630, fourth option 715. The selection of the cricket team is also based on our permutations and combinations only. Even BCCI need to apply the permutations and combinations. Here see, the cricket 11 is to be selected now, 11 member team. Out of from a probable 16 players, Out of 16, 7 are bowlers, 4 are wicket keepers. Rest of are the batsmen. That means 5 are the batsmen. So now we need to select exactly 5 bowlers, 2 wicket keepers. Exactly 5 bowlers, 2 wicket keepers means rest of are batsmen. How many batsmen you need to select? Already 7 selected. 4 need to be selected. 4 batsmen. 5 bowlers, 4 batsmen, 2 wicket keepers. So that is the selection we need to do it. So I will write here. There are 7 bowlers, 4 wicket keepers, 7 plus 4, 11, 5 batsmen, BM. Now the selection we need to make 5 bowlers, 2 wicket keepers. Obviously 7 already selected. Still 11 minus 7 equal to 4. 4 batsmen need to be selected. So therefore required number of ways is equal to 7C5 times 4C2 times 5C4. 7C5 means 7C2, 4C2 is 6, 5C1 is 5C1. 7C2 means 7 into 6 by 2. 7 into 6 means 21 times 6 into 5. So 21 into 30. 630. Third option is the right option. Question number 40. Question number 40. The number of ways of an international committee. International committee of 4 to be formed out of 6 Indians, 4 Russians and 3 Sri Lankans. If the committee to have at least one from each of the countries is first option 360, second option 335, third option 425, fourth option 423. So all of you look at the screen. First of all, look at the screen and go through the question, read the question carefully. Right. Number of ways of an international committee of 4 members team committee need to be selected out of 6 Indians, 4 Russians, 3 Sri Lankans, if the committee at least one from each of the country. At least one person must represent from each of the countries. So that means actually you write down here, how many Indians are there? 6 Indians, 4 Russians, 3 Sri Lankans. So 4-member committee. 4-member committee means at least one person. So at least one person means the first case may be like this: 1 Indian, 2 Russians, 1 Sri Lankan. Second, 2 Indians, 1 Russian, 1 Sri Lankan. Third case, see, 1 Indian, 1 Russian, 2 Sri Lankans. This is the only possible case. Any other cases now? Any other cases? No, no chance, because definitely one must represent from the each of the countries. So only the possible cases, 3 cases we will get it now. So now the solution. Required number of ways is equal to, so the first selection can be done 6C1 times 4C2 times, sorry, 4C2 times 3C1 plus second case 6C2 4C1 3C1 plus third case 6C1 times 4C1 times 3C2. This we need to simplify. 6C1 is how much actually you will be getting? Let us do here. 6C1 is 6, 4C2 is 6, 3C1 is 3 plus 6C2. 6C2 is 6 into 5, 15, 4 into 3 plus 6 into 4 into 3C2 also 3C1, 3, 108 plus 180 plus 72 plus 72. So 180 plus 72, 252 plus 108, 10, 6, 3, 360, 360. That means first option is the right option. Yes, 108 plus 180 plus 72 is equal to 360. Question number 41. A student is to answer 10 out of 13 questions in an examination such that Soumya, you check it now. Right. A student is to answer 10 out of 13 questions in an examination such that he must choose at least 4 from the first 5 questions. The first 5 questions. First 5 questions. The number of choices available to him is so 196, second one is 280, third one is 346, fourth one is 140. Yes, a student is to answer 10 out of 13 questions. There are 13 questions in the question paper, but student only need to attempt 10 questions only. But what is the condition here given? He must choose at least 4 from the first 5 questions. But compulsory you need to attempt the 4 questions from the first set of 5 questions. Understood now? That means either 4 questions or you may attempt 5 questions. That means 2 chances. So let us write like this now. Solution. This is the section, let us say section 1, section 2. In section 1 we have 5 questions. Total 13 questions. Total 13 questions means in second section 8 questions. So first case, what is the first case? He must choose at least 4. For example, 4 questions have been chosen from the first section. Then you need to attempt 10. 6 must from second. At least means more than 4 also. 5 out of 5 completed. So this can be done 5 ways. Therefore now number of ways is equal to 5C4 times 8C6 plus second case 5C5 times 8C5. 5C4 equals to 5C1, 8C4 equals to 8C2, 5C5 is 5C0, 8C5 is 8C3. So let us find out now. 5C1 is 5, 8C2 is 8 times 7 upon 2 plus 1. This is 8 times 7 times 6 upon 6. 6 cancel. 2 4 ja. 20 into 7, that will be 140. Okay. Plus 56. 140 plus 56 is obviously 196. First option is the right option. How 5 and 5? At least 4 questions. In first section we have only 5 questions. You see, 5 questions here. Only 5 questions. At least 4 means either you can select 4 or 5. Maximum 5 only. So 5. But total 10. Already in first section he has attempted 5 questions. Still he need to be attempted 5 questions. Rest of the 5 questions from 8 questions. So that's why 5 5. 5 plus 5 10. Sai, close the door. 40 second. 40 second. A box contains two white balls, three black balls, and four red balls. The number of ways can three balls be drawn from the box if at least one black ball at least means compulsory black ball is to be included in the draw is first option 64, second option 56, third option 46, fourth option 44. So now this chapter is very important actually. So many viewers asked, so when will you start permutations and combinations? When will you start probability? I have started the even permutations and combinations. But what the people are doing? Okay. So generally what the people will do in intermediate classes, they will neglect this chapter. But in all, as far as even actually this chapter is very important in future also. This will be very useful for all competitive entrance examinations. Right. A box contains two white balls, three black balls, four red balls. The number of ways can three balls be selected or drawn from the box? What is the condition? At least one black ball. This is a keyword in this problem. Compulsory one black ball need to be selected in the combinations. So let us see now. 42 solution. In a box, how many balls are there? Two white balls, three black balls, four red balls. Now first case 1, first selection. At least one ball means how many balls we need actually? Total number of balls is 3 balls we need to select. That means one black ball selected, one white ball, one white ball. Total 3 balls. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is total 3 balls. 3 balls selected. Okay, next case 2. Case 2. Now select 2 balls. That means now select 2 black balls. 2 black balls means actually 1 red ball, then 0 white ball. Case 3. Select 2 black balls and 1 white ball and no red ball. This is one case. Case 4. Case 4. 2 white balls, 1 black ball, 1 red ball. Case 5. Case 5. 3 black balls, 0 red ball, 0 red ball. Case 5. Case 6. 2 red balls, 1 black ball, 1 black ball. Sorry. Total 3 only. 0. Is okay? I won't respond in the WhatsApp group, but I will respond through the description box. Okay. Sir, in case 40 red balls, no, that cannot be possible. Because we need total 3 only. See sum. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Wait now. This is 0. 2 plus 1, 3. Maximum 3 balls. 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Case 4. Case 4 is 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 0. This is 0. So now we need to write it now. Required number of ways. Required number of ways equals to 2c1 times 3c1 times 4c1 plus the selection completed. 2c0, 3c2, 4c1, this selection completed, plus 2c1, 3c2, 4c0, third selection completed. Go for fourth. 2c2, 3c1, 4c0, fourth selection have been completed. Right, plus this is 2c0, 3c3, maximum 3 balls, 3 selected, 4c2, 4c2, okay, plus last 2c0, 3c1, 4c2. Now we need to simplify. So now all of you check. I think 6 cases will arise. Am I correct or not? At least 1 black ball, 1 black ball, 2 black balls, 3 black balls, maximum 3 black balls. For example, 1 black ball means 1, 1, 1. 2 black ball means either red or black we need to select. So 1 black ball means 2 white, 2 red. That case we have written. Maximum 3 balls means no white ball, no red ball. That's only. Right. So now let us move to the value. 2c1 is 2 times 3c1 is 3, 4c1 is 4 plus 2c0 1, 3c2 is 3c1 3, 4c1 4, 2c1 2, 3c2 is 3, 4c0 is 1, 2c2 1, 3c1 3, 1. This is 1, 1, 4c2 is 6, 1, 3, 4c2 is 6. This is case 5. Sorry, 4c0 this is. 4c0. Case 5. This is 1. 6. 24 plus 12 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1 plus 18. 36 6 42 45 46 plus 18 equal to 64. Case 5 is selection is 2C0 3C3 4C0 4C0. This will be 4C0. All of you check. Right, Gaddam, you said absolutely correct, but I need to explain myself because even offline viewers are there. Even though I know the answer, I need to explain each and every case. Forty-three. 12 persons are seated at a round table. Number of ways of selecting two persons not adjacent to each other. Is okay. First option 10, second option 11, third option 54, fourth option is 48. So the 12 persons are seated at a round table. Number of ways of selecting two persons. So we need to select the two persons, but the two persons should not sit together, not adjacent together. That we need to do it. So that means first of all, the number of ways of selections, total selections is 12C2. In 12C2 contains the two persons are adjacent each other also. The 2% adjacent each other need to be subtracted from 12C2 so that we get required number of ways of selecting two persons who can be seated around a circle. So that means actually see 12 persons selecting two persons. This is a keyword, not adjacent. Solution, number of ways of selecting two persons from 12C2. So around the circle means first person, second person may come, second person, third person, fourth person, even and so on, 11th person, 12th person. But in a circle, in addition to this, even 12 person, first person also will come together, these two persons. That means how many ways we have? 12 ways. That means number of ways such that two persons adjacent each other on a circle. Round table means circular shape only. That is 12 ways. Therefore, required number of ways is equal to not adjacent. Not adjacent means total 12C2 minus adjacent. 12 need to be subtracted. 12C2 is 12 times 11 upon 2 minus 12. 2 1 ja 2 6 ja. 66 minus 12. So obviously we get 54. So answer is third. 54. In a row means only 11 you will get it. Circular means 12 also we need to continue. Okay. 44. Yes, actually your answer is also correct. Actually, for this one, for 43rd question we can make use of this formula also. For 43rd question you can make use of shortcut also. I will explain the shortcut. What is the shortcut means? For example, n persons are there seated at a round table. Number of ways of selecting. Actually, two persons not adjacent each other means that is nc2 minus n, which is equal to n times n minus 3 by 2. Here substitute n value 12. So therefore required number of ways is equal to, you get 12 9 upon 2. 2 6 ja. So you will be getting 54. So this is also one of the ways we can follow. See, this is the formula for even number of diagonals of a polygon also. Number of diagonals of a polygon is also same concept. That is also nc2 minus n. We get n times n minus 3 by 2. 44. A double decker bus can accommodate 75 passengers. 75 passengers. So there is a double decker bus can accommodate 75 passengers. 35 in the lower deck. 35 in the lower deck. Capacity 40 in the upper deck. 40 in the upper deck. The number of ways the passengers The passengers can be accommodated if 5 want to sit only in lower deck and 8 want to sit only upper deck. Is first option 62 C27, second option 62 C35, third option 62 C30, fourth option 75 C40. This is the question. Yes, it might be IPE problem, but actually even Eamcet also it is an important concept. A double-decker bus can accommodate 75 passengers, 35 in the lower deck, 40 in the upper deck. The number of ways the passengers can be accommodated: 5 wish to sit in the lower disc, 8 wish to sit in only upper disc. Upper deck, lower deck and upper deck. So let us visualize it. 44th question. Suppose this is the upper deck, this is the lower deck. What is the capacity of the upper deck? Capacity of the upper deck is 40. 40 members can be accommodated. Here 35. Total 75 members. Now, since 5 wish to sit only in lower deck, let them be seated in lower deck. 5 members, say A1, A2, A3 dash A5. Still vacancy, we have 30 vacancies there. Here 35 minus 5, 30 vacancy is there. Since 8 wish to sit only in upper deck, let them be seated in upper deck. How many members? 8 members. Say B1, B2 and so on, B8. Now remaining 32. So now already here how many persons are selected now? 8 plus 5, 13 members are selected now. So now 8 plus 5, 13 are selected. Remaining equals to 75 minus 13, that is 62. Now out of 62 we need to select for upper deck or lower deck. That we need to select it. Either 32 or 30. So that cannot be stopped. The construction work is going on upwards. So that means anything. Therefore now remaining members can be accommodated in upper deck is equal to how many number of ways? 62 32. 62 C 32 ways. Now remaining persons write down. Remaining persons are 62 minus 32 means we have 30. Now 30 need to be selected for the lower deck. So remaining can be accommodated equal to 30 C 30. Therefore number of ways is equal to 62 C 32 30 C 30. This is 1. 62 minus 32 is 30 also. This is nothing but 62 C 30. This may be the answer. 62 C 32 is also the answer, or 62 C 30. Yes, disturbance is going on, construction is going on at my home. So that is the sound. Okay, that's why we shall conclude the session today. And evening, actually we have the complex numbers. By 4:30 we shall have the class by 4 complex numbers. If any time permits, actually 7:30 we shall continue combinations. Thank you. Bye bye. So as the disturbance is going on, let it be stopped now. Okay. So now, okay. What is the option? Third option is the right option.